Negative effects of cloves. Increases bleeding. Overconsumption of clove can thin your bloodstream while increasing the chance of bleeding. The spice includes a chemical named eugenol, which, as being a bloodstream thinning agent, can decelerate the entire process of bloodstream clotting, promoting abnormal bleeding. It's advised that you simply avoid overeating of clove while struggling with bleeding disorders, for example hemophilia, or stoning up with anticoagulants. It's also advised to prevent the consumption of clove a few days just before having a surgery. Toxicity. Clove may also impose serious toxic effects for you. Regardless of whether you eat incorrectly stored clove or use large doses of their raw extract, the probability is big that you'll finish up developing several symptoms like nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, a sore throat, sedation, fluid imbalance, kidney disorders, liver disorders, and so forth. Causes allergy symptoms. Allergy is among the common negative effects of cloves, that is again brought on by eugenol. Various allergy symptoms you will probably have to manage because of excessive clove ingestion are rashes, hives, swelling, choking of throat, etc. Within the worst scenario, you may also develop anaphylaxis. Becoming an acute whole-body allergic attack, it may cause dying too. Helps make the skin sensitive. Cloves may take a toll on the skin by looking into making it super sensitive. It's mostly true for that topical use of undiluted clove oil, that is only the unprocessed or unrefined extract from the spice. It can provide you with irritation, rashes, burns, or contact eczema. It sometimes may even damage your skin cells. Causes mouth sensitivity. The mucous membranes present around the inner walls from the mouth could possibly get irritated by an excessive amount of use of clove or use of its oil. Several research has revealed that it may cause extensive harm to your gum, teeth, tooth pulp, dental tissues, etc., by developing a burning sensation. It may also result in sore lips and dental tooth decay within the time.